In today's video, I'm going to do a complete step-by-step Amazon affiliate marketing tutorial and show you how you can start making money from it today. I'm also doing an update to my last tutorial because it's too many people out there talking about this program that don't share important information like how to not use your social security number, how to not get kicked out of the program, and most importantly, how to start making money from it today. So be sure to give this video a big fat thumbs up and share this video with someone because this is something that we can all do to make money and it won't cost you anything to get started. So you guys ready? Let's go. Okay, so the Amazon affiliate marketing program is where you can promote different products from Amazon and you get a commission if anyone makes a purchase using your unique referral link. So it's Amazon's way of saying, hey, thank you for bringing people to our website and making a purchase. Here's some money for doing that. So you are a partner with Amazon. So if you make money, they make money. And that's why it's called the Amazon Associates Program. So let me give you a common example that may make some more sense to you for how this works. So say you're like watching this video and you say, hey, Whitney, what kind of camera do you use for your videos? So instead of me just saying it's a Canon 90D, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Amazon, search for a Canon 90D and make sure that it's a good supplier based on the reviews. I'm going to get my unique referral link using this tool called SiteStripe, which I want to show you how to get in a second. I'm going to get my link for the camera, and instead of just saying I use a Canon 90D, I'm just going to send you my referral link and say, hey, here's the camera I use. So if you click on my unique referral link and make a purchase within the first 24 hours, I get a commission from that. And that is why I love affiliate marketing because it is a complete win-win. You know, I get to help you know what kind of camera I use, and I get to make money in the process. And before I was doing all of that for free, but now that I know about this, it's nice to get a little kickback for something that I was doing anyway. And to sweeten the deal even more, say whoever clicks on my affiliate links and then they say, well, I also need to get some new pots and pans or whatever, because you can buy anything from Amazon. Anything that someone adds to their cart during the time that they clicked on my unique affiliate link, I get a commission for everything that they purchase. So that is one of the coolest things about the Amazon affiliate program. But here is the thing. Amazon offers one of the lowest commissions out there when it comes to affiliate partners. And I'm gonna put this chart in the description because it's gonna be hard to read on the screen, but you wanna be able to see how much commission you can get for recommending different products in different categories. And you can see how low it is. You know, but I'm gonna still use Amazon because over 310 million people have Amazon accounts and over 200 million of those people are Prime members, which means that they can just get anything and purchase it. Will come either the same day or the next day. So that means most people are going to probably use Amazon when it comes to making a purchase. The credit cards are already linked. It's just a seamless process. And people trust Amazon. So if I'm referring something to Amazon, it's a lot easier to buy from Amazon than it is some mom and pop shop they never even heard of before. So that's why I'm gonna still choose to promote Amazon because I'd rather have some money than none. So that's kind of my reasoning for it. But you can still earn thousands of dollars from them. And I'm gonna show you a couple of ways in a minute. But let's first get your account set up. And this is where I'm going to show you how to not use your social security number. So signing up is super easy. Just Google Amazon Associates Program, or I'll just put the link in the description. But you can click on the first link you see. You want to go ahead and sign in or create an account by just putting in your personal information. Then when you get to the next screen, they are going to ask you to put in your associate ID. That could be anything to identify yourself or your business. And then they want you to put a website in. Now, if you have a website, put that in. If you don't, you can actually just put in your Instagram page or a social media page and that will do. Then you need to tell them what type of content you want to create. If you don't know, you could just put in lifestyle content and then choose the following that best describes your content and fill in the rest and then you're done. But don't skip this step. Head to the bottom where it says enter your payment and tax information and then put in your preferred payment method, which is check or a gift card. And the minimum payout method is set at $100. So that means you need to accumulate $100 before you can get a check sent to you. After you save changes, go to provide tax information. Now, if you're just getting started and you don't have an official business yet, you can just hit individual and if you are a US resident. fill in the information on the next screen, and where it says US taxpayer identification number, click the drop down and you are going to choose employer identification number. Now this is where you're going to avoid using your social security number, because if you're like anything like me, I do not like to use my social security number with anyone. So to get this number, go to irs.gov and go to employer identification number right on the homepage. Now this is free to do, but it's only available for US residents. So I'm from the US, so I can only talk to how we do it in the States. I don't know where they do it in any other countries, and I don't want to steer you guys wrong. So I don't know how it works for people outside of the US. Okay, so now you can get access to your affiliate links. You just automatically will have SiteStripe on your page. So you can go to anything right now on Amazon, click on a product page to get your unique referral link, and now you can go and get started with your unique referral links. Now listen up, because this part is very important. Just because you are now in the program, this does not mean that you're going to stay in the program, because you are in the program for a trial period until you have 3 qualified sales within the first 180 days. Now, qualified sales mean that you need to have at least 3 people to purchase from one of your affiliate links. So once you apply, the clock starts ticking and the race is on to get people to buy from your links. So if you don't get enough sales by 180 days, you will get rejected and kicked out of the program, but you can always apply. But the only thing from my understanding is all the links that you used before in your previous account will no longer work. So you will have to update those. So that's the only thing. So you do want to do and probably use some of the tactics that I'm going to share in this video on how to get people to click on your affiliate links. So if the thought ever crossed your mind, like, well, I'll just use my own affiliate link when I purchase things from Amazon. Well, that's not going to work. And if you also had the thought, well, I know my friends and family, they use Amazon, I'm gonna send them my link so I can get at least 3 qualified sales. Well, wrong again. And I have no idea how Amazon actually knows who your friends and family are, but they know, and that is a really scary thing. But trust me, I've tried it. I tried to get my friends to click on my affiliate links and my family, and then I never received any commission from it because they knew. So as scary as that is, basically what you need to do is you have to get people to click on your links that are basically strangers. So if I'm here on YouTube and I promote something with my unique affiliate link from Amazon and you click on it, I'm gonna get commission from that because you guys are basically strangers in Amazon's eyes, which you are. And if you wanna take the YouTube route to promote Amazon affiliate links or any other affiliate products, I highly recommend it because I make really good money here on YouTube, and the bulk of my income comes from affiliate commission. So that's why I'm like so big on affiliate marketing, because it works. And I actually put something together for those who want to learn my strategy on YouTube. So if you guys are interested on learning how to promote things on YouTube, definitely check out my link in the description below that I'm going to share with you guys. But you can also use Facebook, but like I said, you can't use friends or family. So this would really only work if you probably have like a Facebook public page or public group, because you cannot have anything, you cannot promote your Amazon links in your private groups because Amazon has to be able to track where those links came from. So if the page is private, Amazon won't be able to see where it came from. So you will not get credit for any of those purchases. So whatever you do, if you're gonna promote it, you can't promote it in your email either. It doesn't work that way. You have to create a store or something like that. And if you want me to do a tutorial on creating a store, I can do that for you guys as well. But the only ways to actually be able to get credit for your affiliate links is from strangers. So it's gonna be where you're using it on your social media. And I'm gonna give you an example, a couple of examples right here, where these people have probably made thousands and thousands of dollars by using a simple strategy, by just promoting the value of products and then just saying link in the bio or something like that. Check these out. So look at this, guys, right here. This reel right here got 222 million views. So just imagine how many people have bought this from him. It's under 30 seconds. He just showed how cool this was, and that's it. And in here he says comment, share for a link. And in there's over 32,000 people that have actually put a comment here. And so he sent them a link to his Amazon, and that is how he has made money from this. So that is just like so smart to do. And here's another example. This is the one where you can actually not show your face. And this one had like over 30 million views right here. She never shows her face. She just shows how the product works. And basically she tells you to comment below ice code. And then all these people have commented, and she has made money off of them actually clicking on her unique referral link and making a purchase. So you can think about your strategy, see how people are doing it today, make it your own. And I always say, make it your own and execute. Get inspired by how other people are doing on social media and anything that you have on Amazon. This is the best part about Amazon. You don't even have to purchase the product from Amazon. If you already have stuff at home and you just want to share it, you can share your Amazon affiliate link. If it's the same product, it doesn't have to be you didn't have to buy it from Amazon for it to work, but you can still promote it. So how cool is that? Is that you can just kind of think about what things do you have around the house that you like and have value that you can just share with other people. Use your Amazon links, do posts like this to show the value of it. And then when they click on your unique affiliate link, and you can do it in your link in bio, you can put your unique Amazon affiliate link right there in the stories and make money from it that way too. It's a number of different ways that you can make money when it comes to social media. And you don't have to show your face if you do things like this creator. Now, you also do want to create urgency when you're promoting your affiliate links, because you only have 24 hours from the time someone clicks on your affiliate link to make a purchase in order to get credit for the sale, which is completely bogus. Now, say like they clicked on your link and they waited 2 days and they never made a purchase, but they went back to your affiliate link. It starts again, like the clock starts again. So don't think like you have to change your links or anything like that. Just keep your links the same, never change them, but you only have 24 hours from that time that they click on it to actually for them to make a purchase for you to get a credit for it. Like most affiliate programs that I'm with, you get like 30 days, 90 days. It's really good, but Amazon, they're like, you have 24 hours. So that's one of the cons as well when it comes to the Amazon affiliate program, is that you only have 24 hours for them to make a purchase from the time they click on your link. They also have this thing called last link attribution. And basically what that means, if you're like on blog posts or something like that and you're looking at different things, if the last person's link that you click on, that is the person that's going to get commission for your purchase that you make. So if someone clicked on your link first and then they went to somebody else's page and they had another Amazon product they were promoting, and they made a purchase, that person would get the sale. So that's how it works with the Amazon affiliate program. It's not that great in other ways, but most cases, you don't find too many people going to all these different places before they make a purchase. So you kind of have that, but that is just something to know when it comes to the Amazon affiliate program. But since since so many people have an Amazon account, it just makes more sense if you're gonna promote something, just to promote it from Amazon, because it's gonna be easier for them to say, oh, okay, I can just click this. My credit card's already in there. I can go ahead and make a purchase. So some money is better than none, depending on what you're promoting. So it's really case by case. And it seems like disclaimers are not as a big deal as they used to be based off of what I'm seeing on social media. But if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. If you've made it to the end of this video, I love to do this on my videos because I want to see who actually stuck around to the end. Let me know in the comment section what your favorite fruit is. That's like all I could think of. And that is a way that I can see like, okay, I can know who actually stuck around to the end. So let me know in the comment section. And if you want to see how to make money reviewing products on Amazon, which is my favorite way because it's actually more passive, you definitely want to watch this video right here because it is a game changer. And this woman made $80,000 in just 10 months doing this. And I'm like, if she can do it, I can do it too. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.